Want some?
Ah, this is good. Perfect. What's up everyone? This morning was a bit rainy and cold, so I put on my hyper jacket, and now we arrived to Black Lake and the sun came out, so I switched to my GPX shorts because we are going on a hike with Elsan, the man, the myth, the legend of Montenegro adventure. So he's taking us around now to Black Lake, which looks amazing, and then where are we going after that?
It's Ćurevac Viewpoint.
Right. That one. What up? And we started off the day with a lot of rain, and we were like, wonder how this is gonna turn out, and ta-da! Perfect timing. So let's go for a hike. Okay, we just arrived to the second place. Now we're gonna hike up for half an hour and see the best view in the area. Sweet! Elsan, our guide, he's like the coolest guy ever. He has so many funny stories, he shows us the best stuff, takes us to the coolest restaurants no one knows about to try food. Just really good experience. That was beautiful.
The lake?
Yeah, the lake.
It was really nice.
Super nice.
Different colors, super nice. And sunny.
You're a little sick, little feverish girl.
But I'm so ready.
Yes! Yes! Energy drink! Okay, we arrived to the top. It was like a nice 20-minute hike, and the view is what? All around and the valley. Boom! Beautiful. And next time we're gonna hike up that mountain. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright guys, that wraps up our trip with Montenegro Adventure. The hike was amazing, the view was amazing. So thank you very much for taking care of us these 2 days. Thank you guys for watching this day. See you guys soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.